Yeah, what you mean? OMD me, I mean.
I want to come things that girl, I don't know.
You don't know the difference between man and woman.
You tell me the difference.
You don't know the difference between man and woman.
So why you move the camera and put this here? Oh.
No, so you can't hear me.
You know, me say where the Costa girl come from. You know, yo, dog, laugh at me there. I get some food and everything and take out
your food. See, you say they're Jamaica, lie, you're telling a pussy.
This is Jamaica. What Jamaica have this?
Pussy club.
Look. Yo, Antaras, cool man, not stop don't contest me, I know. Contest, I rank them contest me. Me I tell her.
Whoa.
Yes, by the date them we have book out.
Whoa.
You understand?
Yo, why you love hype up the man, dog? Why you love hype up the man?
What me do?
Yo, Antaras, me nah lie that. Go back black hairstyle like. A while ago, look at me say, yo, good night, baby girl. Look at me say, dog, hairstyle, I missed it, dog. Go back a
black. Never do me here for you.
Go back a black, dog. Go back a black, dog. I like it.
You like it.
That's a good thing, me I look good at them things. You can't do them things.
Me eat your blood clot.
But I like your hairstyle, dog.
You want to fight
Wait a minute. So, so I was a private sampler them, right?
Why you use that one there? Why you use that one there?
So I use any. So me can't. What the big difference? What?
Dog, me hate that hairstyle.
No, I never do me here to please you.
And I please you, dog. Nah, dog, me have to tell the truth from my heart and my friend.
Go on highlight. Go on highlight.
I bet you trim, dog.
No, go on highlight. Go on highlight.
Go on highlight, brother.
Go on highlight, brother. We still can't see you.
You see that?
We can't see you.
Man, still can't see you, brother.
We're going.
Brother, what kind of hairstyle like my head, dog?
I see this now.
You look at that.
I pull out this. I die about that.
They're not nice. I was look rich though.
You come wrong name. Some look ugly now.
Not nice.
Oh, not nice to say. Not nice to say.
Yeah, come on, man. Why me, dog? You're later. Why me?
I'm missing my makeup.
No, but that's a big mistake, Lava. That's a big
stylings.
Wait here, dog. Big style in that. I'm there doing a Lava, so you know me catch
don't matter. When I'm not nice. I did a party tomorrow. Now.
Am I there party tomorrow?
Yeah. No, they might be party for us.
No, I'm sure me give next week, dog. Because I'm there, dog, and people must walk and some of them must listen to me. Remember, say me in demand, dog. People go
sure.
See me there, dog. So watch this. You hear the chubby. Not nice. Take next week. I'm going to not nice.
Go to New York, yeah.
If you are your career, take next week, dog.
Pussy club.
People want to be a picture, people want to come out, dog. Take next week, brother. I don't know somebody there and I think I'm mac and toast in the dark. So take next week, brother. Alright, what me say? Who come to me on the live I say to him? Yeah, say to Chubby, yeah. Take care of Chubby, my
alright. I must have said not nice to delete by the files off MPH.
Yeah, don't do that, brother.
Yeah.
Because if I did have a drink alone and everything without touching on the fire phone and nothing that cool, but if I touch the fire phone and talk and everything there, and people must don't say, yo, I can't just do that in a VIP and easy, I walk like I get a back and I go and relax, a problem, but I don't want not nice and dead and then you go touch the fire phone and Chubby, what go on?
Hey, the America, bro.
Yeah, Triple Central tomorrow.
What do you mean by it?
Not nice, how was it?
Yeah, not nice. World Dog and Suko.
And Suko.
I'm here player.
Are you a player?
I love a player.
Are you ready? May I just tell you I go have a drink? Just me I give you a not nice style. Set my table. Me not do no perform. Me not do talk on the fire phone and nothing.
Alright, with that. I say that table next to lava them sections, eh?
Yeah, because me there, I don't know. Because I don't want to touch fire phone and then come to fire phone, you know, not nice now, no carry. Yes, you know, people that go, you understand? Because I say a long time for boy like that, you understand?
Oh, so I forgot say not nice on the day.
That's the next thing I don't want to show them carry like that. I'm a dog.
Whoa.
You understand?
Oh, so if me book you, if me want to pay for profile, what you going to do?
Enough money for me, brother. Lord, man, that's still
Load to load, my man, I done that already, my youth. Say, you want flyers too? Eh? You want flyers?
No, because for the put on flyer for the payment. So, Lord, that's take the part.
I understand.
We do an ad save tomorrow morning. Let's say with the invoice after keep everything. We do an ad tomorrow.
I understand.
All right, you understand? Yeah. We can't do sidewalk up and thing like that. You understand?
Yeah, you see, so that I come here party over, so wait a kid.
Hartford.
Which day?
11th.
July 11th?
Yeah.
July
next
11th.
month in July.
Next month, man. Let me see, man. Next month, man. Me June, man.
June,
yeah, man. Next month, man.
I forward.
Chubby, you follow the show?
I forward, brother. Man. Book
Chubby,
a ticket.
a long time. Chubby, I saw the from your key party at Jamaica, Canada.
Brother, I say me I forward, me I forward.
All right, Chubby. Are you ready? Like you forward, get a flyer for me then. Now, good then. Me now charge you $1.
that.
Alright. Yo, if you never reach the Lord.
Yo, I'm just the man fresh in their place. I'm telling you, man.
Yo, watch it not less than 5, man. I get a flyer, see?
Alright, I'm post up and do an ad sale tomorrow. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Yo, watch it. DM me a picture, me dad. DM me a picture where you are.
No, DM me what's up your picture, yeah?
Alright, man.
Mad, alright, mad. You DM me. You got there, yeah. Yo,
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Dog, you want to get to me?
Right.
Yeah, let me tell me.
You might look at your part for you, man.
But DM me like I mean, well, what you do to me? Come on, bro. I don't know. What you do to me? Remember, I spend $1,000, I spend a $5. Me come here, party, come back to the liquor, and that's it.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
But now, I'm there.
Me say me your part tomorrow now.
I'm here part tomorrow, man. I tell them I'm trying to go to the mall, getting back some foreign gears, you know the thing, go. Yeah, man?
Yeah, I'm not going to mall still.
No,
Yeah, you would do that. I'm not going to mall.
the nice bouncy t-shirt, them members they can't, them yard to the company, they cannot beat them.
Okay.
They look like foreign, like on the liver foreign, man.
That's true. Yeah.
Man?
Yeah. No matter talk like at the party and look or something, you know?
Yeah, so tomorrow I forward, me laugh and walk and take a part.
Yo, so me I say, what you say about Nicky Black? She am parody?
Nicky Locks, yeah, man, Nicky Locks are one of them, man, but you don't know. She drink fast, though, but yeah, be a part of that. My boss, so good.
Yo, Nicky Black said that she will alive, all but a laugh. But him must drink fast.
I should smoke a cigarette them fast, I don't know, get the fuck started. I'm a boss, man. I look for you tomorrow.
Hey, you listen to me, man. I shouldn't say that. And Chakana is not a safe place.
All right, then. Oh my God. God don't start. Can't stand the show you have good time. Trust me. Jaja. DJ pressure, big up. Yeah. Sheldon 876.
Lava, where you had my fast?
But you type and talk about see you lava, you might see you lava with what?
The blood clot, you will let me drink. There ain't no party, me drink more than 1 cup for your blood clot back on dirty man.
Me don't know what talk about.
The walk and talk things say, at the back of them, at the back of them, when walk and pick up a Jamaica and carry on the blood clot flight. I will my deal with. But your speech in a youth in a city.
Wow.
In our city, you talk about drink, I want to walk and talk. Ease yourself, man, because you can't drink no more, brother. Anything more you drink, your belly is supposed to blood clot. Must drink one. The last time we checked.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
You talk about Buckler. I want to say, you need to go find out. The man said they got the bar, you have to go find out. And you need to go find out. I want to you not buy no buckle, brother. You know, buckle leeches and blood clot table I had. On the blood clot, you know, play table relay. When one buckle done, they just move to the next. Love me, I said, but I come take no blood clot set for me. And the fuck, dear, not tonight. Was Lava, I want to give me a bumbo clot. Money, Lava, we are deal with too. On the bumbo clot, you talk. Fuck, dear. I'm telling you, walk on time. I'm telling you, if you're a real star, the man that link you. I'm telling you how the badness go. When anybody care from Jamaica, come and find us, there are people blood clot yard, if you get hotel. Fuck the other people yard, brother. I look how you're big. You're supposed to be the other body yard. Bumbo clan, that's how you're big, brother. You're supposed to be the other body yard.
Whoa.
Everybody is lava when you come in the hotel, you stay.
True.
When not nice come in, when not nice forward, not nice, stay at hotel. When Suku come here, Suku stay at hotel. You
Right.
alone come and find, come and Miami, come stay at people yard, brother. That me I tell you, you alone. come stay at people yard. When DJ Shabby come, DJ Shabby have hotel. When the entourage come, them have hotel. You understand me? When kid forward, kid have hotel. Yeah, many people them get some. What is something here when you get for it? When you rent money for hotel, when you lava, when you can give a free hotel. When I something.
Okay, I'm going to talk the
Right here. Pints.
Find something.
Somebody get some pints, man. Lord, God, come out there, people them house, brother. Come and find that in people house. Brother, everybody come and fly the rent hotel. Hotel cheap. Don't get brother. You can get all hotel for $60, brother. Fuck you about drink. You hear that? We drink every day. Foreign this pussy wall. We get up every day and drink white rum and drink blood clot. And so we don't got nobody work. We drink every day. You know what I'm telling you? Who you are with? You know people them say some rewards. But some rewards, man, for the frequent flyer like not nice. But always have him hotel. You see me? Video call with that girl beside him. Pussy wall each up in a man house. Oh, I'm telling you. Get a room, you. Get a room. Get a room.
Oh.
You mean
No. Oh. This is it. Always talking crap about people and don't have a good phone. You have to wait, man. You have to wait and wait and where gonna come next. Like, sick and tired of this now, man. The blood, if you have a good phone, much as a good Wi-Fi service or something, man. Come on, man. Every minute the people next door know say, final say, the Wi-Fi password and change it. That's why your phone ever appear going through the situation. Sick and tired of this now, man. You can't have a good service with you. You come here at Jamaica, you call foreign on WhatsApp, you use Flow. I had either Jamaica, you call on WhatsApp, you walk. I meet the local service, I'll drop. Get it one place. Why is it here something out of that drop?